My name is Brendan Daly, with my partner, Elijah Hammond. Today, we will be cactus hunting. Let's go. Yo, I need to find me a cactus. Oh goodness, it's our first saguaro. Here, we've acquired our first cactus. It is the Arizona saguaro. Excuse me, cactus. It is very sharp. If you touch it, it's not pleasant. So,
The saguaro cactus here only grows in the Sonoran Desert, and it can often live up to 200 years.
wow.
That right there is the Brazilian prickly pear.
Whoa.
It's very dangerous.
Look at how tall that is! Holy
The saguaro cactus makes a perfect home for the woodpecker and other small critters that often live inside.
The most interesting facts about the saguaro cactus is its ability to store water. During the rainfall, it can store up to 200 gallons. We have the buckhorn cholla. It grows fruit and produces seeds for birds to feast on. That's why it provides very good habitat for birds out here in the Sonoran Desert. Is that a barrel cactus?